Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna and I post content every week on fashion, travel, and lifestyle. As you can see by these bags dramatically on display here, the video is going to be an Aritzia haul. But before I jump into the video, I wanted to give a shout out to Merit for collaborating with me on this video. If you haven't heard of Merit, they are a clean beauty brand that's sold online and in Sephora, so it's such an honor to work with them. They're vegan, cruelty-free, and a lot of their products have gone incredibly viral on social media, on TikTok, Instagram, and so they actually have some new products that they just released. They're Les Bonbon blushes. I screamed a little bit on the inside when I opened up this package because I religiously use their blushes. I'm wearing their blush right now on my cheeks. So here are their Les Bonbon blushes. It's a mini little travel size of their standard cream blushes, and it comes in a set of 4. Makeup is just so clean and minimal. It just doesn't look cakey or heavy on the face, which is why I really love Merit, is that it promotes minimalism and just enhancing all of your natural features. How pretty and beautiful that pink color is. I think this would be gorgeous in the summer and springtime. I personally love bright pinks on my face and my complexion. I have a very olive complexion, so I think a lot of bright pinks look really pretty on me, especially during the spring and summer. Like I mentioned, like this has a more coral color. This one is called Lusitano. So pretty. It reminds me of like a summer in Florence, Italy. I know that was really specific and niche, but that's what it reminded me of. And then I'm really excited for this one. This one's called Postmodern, and I've found that I actually really love these darker colored blushes on me, especially during the winter and fall time, but I think this would look great on so many different skin tones. This is the color Archival, and really you can apply these blushes directly to your cheek from the pan itself. What I like to do is take a brush and then just like swipe it onto the blush and then dab it on my cheeks, but there's really no right or wrong way to apply these. The fact that these come in these little mini sizes just make my heart happy, and honestly guys, this is the perfect Valentine's Day gift. Like, you know how you get a box of chocolates? This would be the perfect gift to give for a Valentine's Day. I'll be linking these down in the description below, but thank you so much, Merit, for sending these over. Okay, first up I have the Boyfriend Half Sip in the color Heather Chrome. I just really have been loving oversized crew necks and hoodies, so I really wanted something oversized that would be comfortable to throw on while I'm working from home, or something to throw on over a workout set. I go to Pilates 3 to 4 times a week, and I'm just always looking for a baggy crew neck to throw over my workout sets. Okay, so this is what she looks like on. Again, very baggy. I have it kind of tucked under right now, but if I were to untuck it, I would say that it falls a little bit above my fingertips when holding my arms down by my thighs. I could probably do an extra small. Extra small is my normal sizing with Aritzia, but again, I really wanted that oversized look, and I love that it's a half zip and not a quarter zip. I just love that it feels more baggy and breathable. Like you can pull this all the way down and it just feels like I could get more air in here. Yesterday I wore this to Pilates and I didn't take it off the entire time. I didn't get that hot, and it was granted a more relaxing workout, but I just love that it felt really loose and I could do a lot of movement. And don't even get me started on how comfortable and soft their actual sweat fleece fabric is. It feels like an actual teddy bear is hugging you. I'm not even over exaggerating when I say I've worn this exact sweater probably every single day last week. Like, I know that sounds gross, but it's just the perfect, most cozy feeling half zip. And I loved it so much that I decided to purchase this in a second color. I wasn't being dramatic when I said I love this style and fit so much. I purchased the exact fit, just a different color in the Nightshade Blue, I believe it's called. And I'm really lucky I got my hands on this color because I think it's sold out on the website, but they have so many different new and pretty colors, but I just don't have a color like this anywhere at all in my wardrobe. I would actually love to go on their website and see if I could find like some matching shorts or some matching leggings to go with this, because I think it's so pretty. So pretty. I love this color so much. I think it's just, it pops, it stands out, and I love, again, how baggy it is. You can totally zip this all the way up if you want to as well, like if it's cold out. I think this is a whole look as well. If you're not familiar with how Aritzia's sweat fleece sizing works, I think they have like the perfect, they have boyfriend, and then mega. I think there's a fourth one, but the boyfriend is definitely a more roomy and baggier fit, and then mega is going to be like their largest, really oversized one. So I like that this one isn't the perfect one where it's like exactly to the T your size. It's more of like in the middle, oversized. I think the fourth one is snug. That one's if you want it like really tight, and I feel like I used to order that a lot 5 or 6 years ago, and now I just love the oversized look and feel. Up next, I ordered this one again because I wanted something to wear just kind of throwing over my workout sets. I feel like I only really had 1 or 2 jackets I could do that with. This is the Mega Fit Sweat Fleece Cozy Fleece Mega Mock Neck in the color black. Not going to lie, this one did come out smaller than I thought it would when I opened the package. I ordered this online and they only had 3 sizes for this one. It was 1, 2, and 3, and I ordered the size 1 just because girls had left reviews. I had never ordered the Mega before, the Mega Fit, so I just figured it would be a little oversized, and it just came in a little bit smaller than I wanted to. I'm just nervous that it might shrink a little in the wash, but I feel like the return window for me to get this back into the store had already passed by the time I wanted to get something different. Okay, so this again is the Mega, and it's in a size 1. And as you can see, I'm 5'2", and it sits right about the waist. I think ideally I would have liked for it to be a little bit bigger. I should have probably ordered the size 2 or 3, but I don't even think they have it available anymore. So you could keep the collar popped up and zip it all the way up, or you can leave it down, but I just love how soft it is, and I love that it's just like a plain black jacket that kind of goes with everything. But it has pockets, and I wanted to point out that the other 2 half zips that I tried on do also have pockets, which is really amazing. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but it does the job, and it'll keep me warm whenever I just need something to throw over. All right, up next I have the TNA Home Stretch long sleeve. I have a lot of Aritzia long sleeves that kind of are high neck, so I wanted something that had a little bit more of a flattering chest area. So this is kind of like a box cut right here, and I just love their material. It's very stretchy, very form-fitting. It is longer, so if you want to tuck it into some jeans, it's perfect. I love Aritzia's TNA line. I love their basics. I get it in everything, which is why I also got it in their color Heather Oatmeal, and these are both in a size extra small, and I will say that they're definitely true to size. I would say slightly bigger than a normal extra small, but I think it fits perfectly. It's very stretchy, very breathable, and I'm pretty sure the reason I wanted to get these is because the majority of it is cotton. I feel like that's something I never really used to pay attention to, but that's one thing I can really appreciate about Aritzia's clothing is a lot of it is cotton. It's not like you're paying a ton of money for 100% polyester, so I really love the color Heather Oatmeal. It's just a little bit more creamy than the standard white color. This is the Heather Oatmeal color. So pretty. I love this color so much. It's one of my favorites at Aritzia. Like, this would look really cute with just some jeans, a coat, sneakers. Really pretty, basic, and this color goes with everything. It's so flattering, and I love that it's not cropped. You can pull it down. I don't know, I'm just not a fan of cropped things lately. A little accessory that I picked up is just this TNA beanie in the same color, the oatmeal. Oh, I apologize, it's not the same color. The color is milk herring. One of my beanies had that little pom on top, and I just wasn't a fan, so I wanted something that would be a little simpler. I live in California, so I don't really know when I'll get to wear this. It does get a little chilly out, but I just love this beanie. It's just so simple, cute, minimal, and it'll go with any color, any outfit. I'm really excited for this next set because I've never worn any of Aritzia's athletic wear, and I was actually influenced by TikTok. This was going viral on my For You page, and I'm pretty sure it sold out within minutes. I feel so lucky to have picked these up. They're their golden soft whip high-rise shorts, and they're so cute and so soft. I can't even convey how soft this fabric is. There's just no words to explain. It's much softer than the Lululemon Align. I feel like Lululemon Align is kind of like the prototype for all activewear fabrics, and when I tell you this is softer than that. Love the little Aritzia logo on the back, so pretty. And one thing I will say, I was so nervous about trying these because I'm shorter, I'm 5'2", and I feel like 5-inch shorts are pretty long. I typically like to get shorts around the 3 to 4 inch just because sometimes these ones can squeeze my thighs and it just makes me look really unflattering, but they fit really well. I'll show you in a moment when I try them on. And then I had to get the matching cami because it was just so cute as a set. So this is the set on. I am still wearing my regular t-shirt bra under this cami, but as you can see, it's not squeezing my thighs like crazy and making my skin pop out of the shorts, which I love. It's just really form-fitting. I love that the band kind of suctions in your midsection, but it's not too tight to where I feel uncomfortable. It's still very stretchy. I'm stepping back a little more so you can see the back side of the shorts and the cami. I really hope Aritzia comes out with more products in this exact fabric because I think they only had a handful in the softwhip, and granted I've never tried their butter fabric yet, but I really am obsessed with how soft it feels. It just feels like a warm hug. It's just so comfortable. I could live in this set. It's so pretty. Lastly, I decided to pick up this seamless contour black top. Just really love Aritzia's basics, and this one is really form-fitting. But yeah, this is what the fabric looks like up close. I've never worn Skims, but I feel like this is kind of what Skims reminds me of, just with how form-fitting it is. So that is everything. That wraps up my Aritzia haul. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys in another video soon. Bye!